Hi, I'm Lori Gabriel with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 274 Cooper Street in Springfield, Mass. This is an adorable cape. You're really gonna like it. It offers 1,132 square feet. It's an adorable cape with a brand new architectural roof. It has the ridge vent, 30 years that are warranted on it. This is a cape of 4 bedrooms, and you'll notice this adorable kitchen. It has seafoam cabinetry. It's all been painted. It's got the shaker style. There's a nice backsplash, tiled countertops. I love that country farm sink. It really, really is nice. You notice that we have stainless steel appliances here, new flooring, and a lot of recessed lighting. Throughout this home, the electrical has been updated. There's 2 bedrooms on the first floor, 2 bedrooms on the second floor. This has all nice hardwood floors. Everything's in perfect condition. You'll like that there's gas heat and central air. Another thing that you can enjoy is a full basement. It's nice and dry. The laundry is included, the washer and the dryer as well. With some nice arched doorways, 6 panel doors. The trim and everything is in excellent condition. All the windows are thermopane windows, so those have been updated throughout the years as well. You can move into this home and do nothing. And if you have a little pup or maybe some children, you're gonna appreciate having a fenced-in backyard. It's a nice level yard. We're located very close to Franconia Golf Course. You're close to everything, major highways, all the restaurants, Forest Park, and it is just a wonderful location here. Really quiet location. The people that live here say they love it, that it's very, very quiet. If you'd like more information about this adorable home, you can give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing from you.